You know how they say, okay, it never rains but it pours? I think they say that. I have a new one, remix for 2011. It never earthquakes, but then it snows. Yes, peeps, it is snowing. I decided, okay, to actually hit Central, just because I need to get connected. I need to find out like more information. I need to get in contact with peeps. But as you can see, okay, it is a flurry of snow right now. The traffic is crazy, madness. It looks like they've got electricity up here, so my best bet is to either hit an internet cafe, find a Wi-Fi spot, and yeah, try to get some information about this, what to do. So this is your Warlock, only the brave, signing out. Stay classy.